Reply.ai Chatbot Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Reply.ai Chatbot Review. In this video, I'll share my hands-on experience with Reply.ai, a conversational AI platform designed to help businesses automate customer interactions. If you're interested, check out the links to the product in the description below for more information. Reply.ai is built for companies looking to streamline their customer service and support through conversational automation. It's particularly well suited for e-commerce, retail, and customer-focused industries, where engaging with customers quickly and efficiently is essential. What makes Reply.ai stand out is its focus on simplicity, combined with enterprise-level functionality, making it an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes. The platform features an easy-to-navigate chatbot builder, which allows users to create and deploy bots without requiring advanced technical skills. Using a visual editor, you can design workflows, configure responses, and even integrate the chatbot with existing systems like CRM tools, help desk software, and e-commerce platforms. This no-code approach ensures that even small teams with limited resources can create robust bots. One of the standout features is Reply.ai's multilingual support. The platform supports multiple languages, allowing businesses to cater to a global audience without additional development. Combined with its AI and NLP capabilities, the chatbots can understand user intents, deliver accurate responses, and maintain a natural conversational flow, which enhances the customer experience significantly. For multi-channel communication, Reply.ai integrates with major messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and web chat, ensuring your business can connect with customers on their preferred channels. This omni-channel capability ensures a consistent and seamless user experience. Another strong point is Reply.ai's analytics dashboard, which provides detailed insights into customer interactions, chatbot performance, and engagement metrics. This data can be used to fine-tune the bot's responses and optimize workflows, improving efficiency over time. When it comes to pricing, Reply.ai offers flexible plans tailored to various business needs. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option for very small businesses, its scalability and customization options make it a worthwhile investment for companies aiming to enhance their customer engagement strategy. In conclusion, Reply.ai is a robust chatbot solution with powerful automation features, multi-channel support, and easy-to-use tools. It's ideal for businesses seeking to improve customer support while reducing operational costs. If you're exploring chatbot platforms, Reply.ai is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.